In this video, I am going to walk you through the process of using Perplexity AI to quickly draft a high-converting cold outreach email. I'll start by clicking into the search bar and typing a detailed prompt that asks for a punchy email targeting a marketing director, specifically highlighting a 20% reduction in acquisition costs. Once I have the instructions entered, I simply click the arrow button to let the AI process the request. Almost immediately, Perplexity generates a well-structured response featuring a compelling subject line and a professional introduction that addresses the prospect's pain points. The AI provides a clear value proposition regarding lead generation and thoughtfully includes placeholders for personalization, such as the company name and specific industry examples. As I scroll down to review the full draft, it is clear that the tone is perfectly balanced between being authoritative and approachable. Using this tool ensures that my outreach remains consistent, professional, and data-driven without the usual manual effort. This simple workflow is an essential strategy for anyone looking to scale their business communication with precision and speed. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.